Let's start with opening the bolts. Now we have to go anti-clockwise. Okay, not the clockwise, anti-clockwise. To tighten it, the torque that is required is 23 Nm of torque. Very easy to open it. Remember, open it clockwise. Once I open it, then I'll show it to you. I have loosened the bolts. Now I'm going to take it out. First bolt is out. The second bolt is also out. And all we're going to do is take it out, slide it over. Very simple. See? Now what we're going to do is slide it out like this. Like this. See, it's out. First is out. Still dirty, but I've cleaned up again. Second one also slide it out here. Slide it out like this. The second one is also out. It's very dirty, so I'll just clean it up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna also open up the brake oil tank. All the brake pads. Let's use some sandpaper. On one end should go. All right. See, I can do it with even one hand. Wow. See, it's so simple, guys. No rocket science. I can straighten it up. Do you see? It's done. Wow. With one. This thing has to be proper. And it is proper. Okay. Let's put it back and then close it up. Now, the easy part. This. That's it. We are done. Just will have to that's it. Just have to put the bolt.